Snowdrop and Ample join forces. Snowdrop Solutions has partnered with Ample Earth, a sustainability solution provider helping payment networks and banks identify responsible businesses and create sustainable loyalty programs. Relay secures $32.2 million in Series B round. Digital banking platform for small businesses Relay has announced that it secured $32.2 million in a Series B financing round led by Bain Capital Ventures. Worldline signs agreement with Banque Raiffeisen. Global provider of payment services Worldline has signed an agreement with Banque Raiffeisen to allow the latter to leverage its cloud-based instant payments solution in Luxembourg. Modulr launches travel payments solution. Modulr, an embedded payments platform, has announced the introduction of its travel payments solution. Viva.com equips Italian businesses with Tap to Pay on iPhone. Viva.com, a Greece-based company powering merchant payment acceptance, has enabled Italian merchants to accept contactless payments via the Viva.com terminal iOS app. Mastercard partners with HSBC Middle East. Mastercard has announced its partnership with HSBC Middle East in order to accelerate the development of travel payments in the region. Razorpay launches Q-Zap. Razorpay has launched Q-Zap, a comprehensive suite allowing merchants to process payments in any part of the store instead of only at their designated billing counters. Payabl joins forces with Zimpler. European paytech company Payabl. BharatX expands into medical lending with Zenifi acquisition. BharatX, a buy now pay later BNPL, Fintech startup, has completed the acquisition of Zenifi, a healthcare finance company. Pidgin and Corelation bring real-time payments to credit unions. Real-time payments platform Pidgin has partnered with Fintech Corelation to enable real-time payments for credit unions in the US. Nexi offers Tap to Pay on iPhone in Italy. European paytech Nexi has announced the launch of Tap to Pay on iPhone for merchants and businesses in the region of Italy, with the Nexi Soft POS. Papara acquires SadaPay. Turkey-based financial technology company Papara has announced that it expanded its operations into South Asia by acquiring SadaPay. Ooks fraud pilot boosts fraud detection by 40%. Payment systems operator Pay UK has announced that its fraud detection and prevention pilot has a 40% increase in detection, potentially saving £112 million yearly. Treasury Prime partners with Footprint. Embedded banking software company Treasury Prime has partnered with Footprint, a unified onboarding platform for identity, fraud, and security. Currencycloud selects Form 3 for fraud-reducing technology. Form 3 has announced that Currencycloud has chosen its account verification technology for confirmation of payee (COP) activities to reduce fraud in the UK. Stable.com launches $3 stablecoin. Fintech company Stable.com has announced the launch of the $3 stablecoin in a bid to offer some competition to current industry players. Signicat launches new report on AI-driven identity fraud. European firm Signicat has announced the launch of a new report on the growing threat of AI-driven identity fraud, in partnership with Consult Hyperion. Circle announces its official launch in Brazil. Circle, a financial technology company and the issuer of the USDC stablecoin, has announced its official launch in Brazil. Currencycloud and Pivio partner on cross-border payments. Currencycloud and Pivio have announced a partnership aimed at providing efficient cross-border payment solutions for Chinese e-commerce businesses. Swift to pilot AI in fight against fraud. Banking cooperative Swift is working with global banks on AI pilots to tackle cross-border payments fraud. PayPal stablecoin comes to Solana blockchain. PayPal's PYUSD is now available on the Solana blockchain in a move that the company says will make its stablecoin faster and cheaper to use. CBA pilots name check technology on JP Morgan's Link blockchain. Commonwealth Bank of Australia is to help validate bank account details used in international payments to Australia by integrating its name check technology with JPMorgan's blockchain network link. MangoPay debuts AI-driven fraud prevention package. MangoPay, a modular and flexible payment infrastructure provider for platforms, today announces the launch of its new fraud prevention solution. HSBC launches payment pre-validation API for business customers. HSBC has introduced a new payment pre-validation API, application programming interface, to help business customers make payments with greater security, ease and confidence, by offering enhanced capabilities to verify payee details prior to initiating payments, making them faster and more reliable. American Express to expand acceptance across Africa in deal with Ecobank Group. American Express and Ecobank Group, the leading Pan-African financial services group, announced an agreement to significantly expand American Express card acceptance in 21 countries across Africa. Snowdrop and Ample Earth drive sustainability insights for consumers. Snowdrop Solutions, a leading provider of advanced transaction data enrichment solutions for banks and financial institutions, today announced a partnership with Ample Earth, an innovative sustainability solution provider helping payment networks and banks identify responsible businesses and create sustainable loyalty programs by highlighting the social and environmental impact of merchants. Mastercard and Axis Bank collaborate on NFC Soundbox. One of the largest private sector banks in India, Axis Bank and Mastercard, announced the launch of NFC Soundbox. Papara acquires Pakistan-based SadaPay. Papara's acquisition of SadaPay marks a significant strategic expansion into the Middle East and South Asia markets, reinforcing its position as a key player in the global financial technology sector. HSBC leads Series A round in MarketNode. HSBC has led a Series A investment in MarketNode, a Singapore-based digital market infrastructure operator founded by SGX and Temasek. LMAX Group appoints Chris Knight as managing director. LMAX Group, a leading operator of institutional exchanges for FX and digital assets trading, today announced the appointment of Chris Knight to the role of managing director. JP Morgan Chase makes quantum leap. In a new paper in Science Advances on May 29, researchers at JP Morgan Chase, the U.S. Department of Energy's DOE, Argonne National Laboratory and Quantinuum have demonstrated clear evidence of a quantum algorithmic speedup for the Quantum Approximate Optimization Algorithm, QAOA. Fintech OS raises $60 million. Fintech OS, a European startup promising a low-code approach to helping financial institutions quickly and painlessly go digital, has picked up $60 million in a Series B+ funding round extension. TSB outage freezes customers out of accounts. An outage at TSB has frozen frustrated customers out of their online and mobile banking accounts. Yapily integrates with MMOB embedded finance platform. Yapily, a leading provider of open banking solutions across UK and Europe, is delighted to announce its partnership with MMOB, an embedded finance enabler known for its universal API adapter. Over a third of fraud attempts targeting financial institutions now use AI. Signicat, the European leader in digital identity and fraud prevention solutions, today announces a new report on the growing threat of AI-driven identity fraud in partnership with independent consultancy Consult Hyperion. Climate Impact X appoints Interim Chief Executive Officer. Climate Impact X, CIX, a global carbon market solutions provider, today announced that its Chief Operating Officer, COO, Mark Glossotti will be appointed as Interim Chief Executive Officer, CEO, with effect from 1 July 2024. Lego exec Anders Kirketerp-Muller joins Muimo's board. Seasoned C-level executive and governance expert, Anders Kirketerp-Muller joins Muimo's board and will be leveraging his extensive experience from large global businesses to drive significant growth at the Danish regtech firm. Swedbank sets climate target for shipping portfolio. Swedbank has adopted a climate target for its shipping portfolio so that climate considerations will be integrated into the bank's loan decisions for ship finance. Solaris SE partners with Salt Security. Embedded finance platform Solaris SE has announced its partnership with Salt Security to protect its API ecosystem and safeguard the data and PE of customers. Tide enables bill payments for SMEs. Tide has enabled bill payments for SMEs to streamline expense tracking, aiding in separating business and personal finances while improving cash flow visibility. Mipos launches iPhone Tap to Pay in Italy. UK-based payments company Mipos has recently launched its Tap to Pay service on iOS devices for businesses in Italy. BNPL surges in usage amongst US consumers. Financial guidance platform NerdWallet has revealed that Buy Now, Pay Later (BNPL) plans surged in popularity, becoming the second most used credit payment form in the US. PaySecure partners with PayAdmit. UK-based payment solutions provider PaySecure has partnered with PayAdmit to enhance global merchant payment solutions with advanced security and analytics. American Express and Ecobank expand card acceptance in Africa. American Express and Ecobank Group have announced an agreement aimed at expanding American Express card acceptance across 21 countries in Africa. Swift launches AI pilots in partnership with global banks. Belgium-based telecommunications company Swift has announced 2 AI experiments developed in collaboration with its member banks. Union Bank of India modernizes its risk management with SaaS. Union Bank of India has announced modernizing its risk management systems by implementing SaaS solutions to enhance and streamline its risk operations. Mastercard opens European Cyber Resilience Center in Belgium. Mastercard today announced the opening of its European Cyber Resilience Center, ECRC, at its European headquarters, reaffirming the company's commitment to combating cyber threats and enhancing resilience in the region. MoneyHub releases Carbon Counter API. MoneyHub, the market-leading data and payments platform, has partnered with leading carbon measurement companies to launch its latest API recipe, Carbon Counter, empowering businesses to deliver real-life insights to their customers into the environmental impact of their financial behaviors. XYB names Derek Joyce as CEO. XYB, a leading global coreless banking platform as a service, PaaS, pioneer, has appointed Fintech veteran Derek Joyce as the newly standalone company's CEO. This concludes our current edition of the BayPay Forum podcast. Remember that you can read the full text of each article in our news section on baypayforum.com. We hope to see you tomorrow.